first motorcycle online reality show is here in the country. Who will win 100,000 pesos cash and a brand new Rouser NS160?
Now the reason why we're all waking up early is because it's gonna be your last day in the hotel. And you guys have to pack up already because we're gonna go to the campsite where you guys are gonna stay. Okay, pack up.
Rouser Dare Venture Philippines Day 5. The last time we left them was about 8 hours ago, so gigisingin na natin sila para sa next challenge. Maki? Maki? How are you, bro? Eto yung iyong pantalon.
Ay sir, basa kasi.
Rabbi, good morning. Time to wake up. Teko. Marge, good morning. Welcome to the heart.
Hello everybody, this is officially the midway point of Rouser Dare Venture Philippines. It's gonna get tougher, it's gonna get more difficult, and it's gonna get more challenging. Let's call in the riders. Hello riders! First and foremost, congratulations, nangangalahati na tayo. Marge, how does it feel? You bested 5 other guys.
Papakita ko na lang sa kanila sir at papatunayan na kakayanin ko yung challenge na susunod.
At this point, as you said, it's getting harder and harder, pahirap to ng pahirap. Ang gagawin natin ngayon, meron tayong time trial ulit. Magbubunutan tayo kung sino mauuna. It's gonna be a 15-minute gap in between riders. Why is that? Because there are gonna be stations. It's gonna be a set of challenges. This is the starting point.
Before we proceed with the challenge, allow me to walk you through the tasks that our riders need to accomplish.
Basically, bubuuin nila yung words na Rouser Dare Venture, and we're gonna start with Rouser. They gotta pull this down, fold it, put it in their pocket or whatever, and take it to the next stage. This is the second challenge in this whole leg on the 5th day. So, meron tayong mahiwagang ruleta dito. I get number 3. So, basically, after I get my number, I'm gonna proceed to this table. So, basically, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and may corresponding number per dish. Meron tayong bituka ng razorback or baboy damo. Meron tayong pig's blood na nakabalot sa intestine. Hawakan natin. Lambot. And this is the most interesting thing. Wild cats. And then balot and chicken feet. Itong dalawa, we've all tasted this. Chicken feet, of course, it's all over Metro Manila. It's this first 3 that's a bit challenging. And after they have accomplished their what do you call this? Their challenge, they will be given this, and they can proceed to the final stage. This is the second to the last stage of this challenge today. We see pylons, so it is it's gonna be a slalom. Thing is, it's not as easy as it looks. Obviously, by now you can tell riding around Lahar, hindi siya madali, and the pylons are also close to each other. This is the final stage of this challenge today. Nandito po tayo sa isang 3x3 meter na pit. Kailangan nila maghukay at hahanapin nila yung huling logo. And it is this one, Venture. They gotta get all the logos that they collected and form the words Rouser Dare Venture. Time stops, done.
Before you proceed and I explain further, magbunutan na tayo. Let's start with you, Maki. So who's first? Aha, Henry. Okay, second, Rabbi, Marge, Ryan, and Maki will be last. I have a key and a spark plug. This is going to be on top of a table with 7 other keys and 7 other spark plugs. Pero hahanapin nyo pa rin yung motor na kamatch yung susi. Now, obviously, you cannot ride without putting this first. And I think this challenge is also important kasi I don't know, I always felt that at the very least all riders should know how to put a spark plug or replace a spark plug.
Rouser Adventure Philippines!
Rouser Adventure!
Adventure!
Matapos ang araw ay dumiretso ang riders sa base camp upang maghapunan.
Amen. And
Kain
na!
Bumuyan na ako eh. Ano may camera eh. Huwag kang
Lulupin mo!
lalabas daw, sige ah.
Hindi ako kayo para mabugaw ko Kuya Maki.
Masayang kumakain ng mga riders nang naisipan kong putulin ang kasiyahan.
Ay, bayot, alam mo yun. Saan ba yung tent mo? Kaya ka sa akin.
Ay, sir,
Sir,
kain.
Sir, sa tayo
Ay, sir, pinatira ka namin ng pansit sa ano.
okay lang. Halatang andito mas malakas kumain ah.
Oo,
Mas bawas dito eh.
sa amin eh.
Dalawang taga-gym, ano eh.
Diet eh.
Busog naman?
Suabe.
Anyway, you guys know what's next, di ba? And ready na ba kayo doon? Pretty much? Sige, we'll do it now. So, verbal na lang kung sino i-vote out ninyo. And tell us why. Start with you, Ryan.
Siguro, for me, again, siguro nothing personal,
Oh.
Miss March will be Miss March. And the reason why is, again, underestimating, no? Kasi, as guys, medyo nahihirapan talaga during the, ano.
Alam mo bang huling nagsabi sa akin yan na alis? Bakit gusto mo na rin sumunod?
Yung kapitan ang una nagsabi nun, out of concern. Maki, who are you voting? Who do you wanna vote out tonight?
Still voting for Henry.
Okay, the toughest one. So far,
Yeah.
he's been the fastest.
Yeah.
He's been coming out on top in most of the challenges.
Ayun din yung ano, yung reason ko. So parang that's part of my my tactics.
Alright. Rabbi.
Ako si Maki pa rin. Kasi yun din, same kami ni Ryan na ako nakita ko sa kanya kay ay yung sa diskarte ni Maki na gusto niya talaga maalis si Henry. Sa akin lang kasi bakit mo gustong alisin yung kung saan ka matcha-challenge. Kumbaga paano mo masasabing panalo ka nang hindi mo tinalo yung alam mong magaling.
Henry. Who do you want to vote out?
Siguro si Maki. Kasi na-observe ko dun sa mga past challenges, parang nag-i-improve kasi siya every challenges. Umaangat yung level niya, nakikita ko yung bilis niya, and gusto ko din na wala nang threat sa dadaanan ko.
And then Marge. Who do you want to vote out?
Si Henry po. Dahil sobra po siyang total package. Siya po yung nakalaban po. Pinaka-top.
So we'll take note of that, and I want to invite you guys to that area over there so we can finally decide who's gonna be going home tonight. Let's go. Hello riders. After tonight, it's gonna be beyond the halfway point na, so we are going to eliminate one more rider tonight. So I wish you all good luck. I'm gonna announce the first name. Like the previous, it's going to be the guy or the girl who scored the highest, and then the lowest at yung evicted na rider. First name, please step forward, Henry. Next name, Ryan. Our third rider to step forward, Marjorie. So, proceeding with our first safe rider. Henry, you are safe. Please step back. Ryan and Marjorie, you can... Yung next name na i-announce ko will be evicted. So, kung hindi nasabi yung pangalan mo, you are safe. Are you two ready? Our sixth rider to be evicted, Marjorie.
Nag-thank you lang po ako sa mga kasama ko kasi parang hindi rin po nila talaga ako pinabayaan. Siyempre po competition, so dapat parang hindi nila pansinin yung kung sino man yung nangangailangan ng ganun. Pero minsan pa hindi po nila naisip na ganun. Doon pa rin po yung concern nila, yung puso nila na tulungan yung mga kasama nila. Ayun lang, nagpapasalamat lang po ako sa lahat ng mga nakasama ko. Yun, thank you sa lahat. Salamat sa banding at sa lahat ng mga memories na napagsaluhan natin. Hindi ko to makakalimutan. Isa to sa pinaka adventurous na experience ko. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Marge. I think you are an inspiration to a lot of women riders. Not just women riders, even the male riders. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Hi! Thank you sa mga suporta nyo, lalong-lalo na sa mga sisi ko, LRBC, Lady Riders of Baguio City. Thank you very much sa sobrang napaka-supportive nyo sa akin na itayo ang bandera ng Lady Riders. Kaya ito ako, nakikita nyo, top 5. Tsaka nagpapasalamat din po ako sa RCP, mga ka-brothers ko, Caldoliera, R2RF, Region 2. Thank you very much. Tsaka sa ibang RCP pa na dito sa buong Pilipinas, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo sa suporta niyo sa akin. Kaya nagpapasalamat din po ako sa magulang ko at sa boyfriend ko. Habi, uwi na ako. Magkakasama na tayo ulit. Siyempre, huli sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Kawasaki Bajaj dahil sa ganitong event, nagkakatipon-tipon yung mga riders na sumali sa mga ganitong event para mas ma-boost pa yung confidence nila sa pagra-riding. Ayun, thank you very much, Kawasaki Bajaj. And Rouser is power! Thank you.